Hello friends, it's me Ajit Kumar. This is PHP tutorials. This is part 2 of create a login page with a database. In our previous session, we did done our project. Now in this part 2 tutorial, I will explain this code in programs also. Okay. Theme of this session. This session is only for explain the code of previous session. Okay, code and program. Okay, and let's start. Okay. This is our database. We already created that in previous session login, and login users is our table into the database login. Okay. Now we run our program. YouTube is a folder name and login HTML login. This is our project. Okay. Username Ajit, password 1234. If username and password is in or exist in our database, it will show login successfully. Okay, or otherwise I give on a invalid or not existing record. Okay, wrong username, password combination, please re-enter. Okay, because that is not in exist in our database. Okay, this is the HTML login .html. This is a HTML code for create this page. Okay, HTML login. Okay, this is the code for create this page like this. Okay, okay. Now let's explain it. Okay, HTML is used to open the HTML tag, and the head and body is basic component tags of HTML program. Okay, this is PG color. It's empty. If I give a red and save it, it will be red. Okay, this is okay. Now I created font. Font is one of the tag for it has attributes of fonts. Okay, font. This is login. Okay, login. This login is in the center of the page. So here I used the tag center. H1 is a heading one. It's the size of this font. Okay, here I close my font and I create a form here. That form's action is login.php. Login.php is this code. Okay, that method is post. We are using post method here. Okay, if I click login button, this action is going to login.php. That is this code. Okay, let's go to this code. Okay, username, password. Username. After username, we include a button input as a text is a text box, and the button name is uname. Okay, username, text box. In this text box name is uname. Okay, note it, and then password, and the input type is password. It's also a text box. but when I click when I type here this dotted text, it is used to hide our text. Okay, this is the password attribute. Okay, so this type is password type. Okay, this text box name is pass. Okay, note it. Okay, after this now I created a submit button here. Okay, BR is used to break because new line break. Okay, input type is submit. Submit is mentioned here as a button, or otherwise we use button here. Okay, submit is used to like button view. Okay, value is used what will be on the button. If it's like that, save it and run it. Okay, so value is used for this. Okay, this button name is submit. Okay, wait, I close this form tag and body tag HTML also. Okay, we done this page. When I click the submit button, it will go to login on login.php. So go to login.php. Okay, login.php is a full and full PHP code. Okay, here now PHP tag started here. Then require is a keyword to include another program here. Okay, require SQL underscore dot PHP. SQL underscore dot PHP is here. This coding will be here. Okay, for using require. Okay, by using require keyword. Okay, so now see it. PHP tag open. Here we connect our web page. This is a web page and this is a database. Okay, PhpMyAdmin. We connected this one and this through this coding. Okay, MySQL connect is it is the syntax of connect our database. Okay, MySQL connect localhost. This is a host name and this is username of PhpMyAdmin and this is empty. Here is the password of PhpMyAdmin. If all are correct, it will be connect, or otherwise if any error will be occur here, then die MySQL connection is failure. Okay, here okay, this coding is used to connect our MySQL to web page. Okay, MySQL select DB. It is used to is this a syntax of connect our database. Okay, this is connect our PhpMyAdmin MySQL and this is connect our database. Our database name is login. Here the syntax we give our database name. Okay, if our database exist, it will be run, or otherwise database not exist, does not exist. Okay, this is the meaning of this code. Okay, now after connected this, it checks if is set post submit. Submit is the name of the button submit. Okay, this name is here. Okay, if I click the button submit login, okay, these will be executed. Okay, otherwise else nothing will be executed. Okay. If reset is the syntax of check if statement in PHP. Okay. If I click the submit button, this is a dollar username is a variable declaration, and also dollar password is another variable declaration. Okay. I assign this uname is used to uname is this text box name, and password is this password text box name. Okay. Okay. I assigned uname. I assigned this name and this name. This is uname. This is pass. Okay. I assigned this text and also this text to dollar username and respectively dollar password. Okay. Now here Ajit, here 1 2 3 4. Okay. If not, this is a simple, this is not. Okay. If uname is this box, and pass is a password text box. Okay. If I did not if I will not any what okay, if anything is an empty. Okay, now I give here only username, not to give any password. This is an empty. Okay, so it's not stage. Okay, now I log in. You did not complete all the required fields. Okay. This process will be running here. If I will give a empty anything password or username box, then here echo is used to print. I used JavaScript for window alert. You did not complete all the required fields. It's the alert. This is window alert is used to message. Okay. Then window.location.href. It's a syntax to return. Go to that HTML login.html. Okay. This is this code. Okay. If I give login with empty, you did not complete all the required fields, then I click OK. Okay. This HTML.html login will be done. Okay. This is a scripting language. Then exit it. Okay. Now here this SQL is a variable declaration. $SQL is a variable declaration. MySQL query underscore is the syntax. This is our MySQL query. Select star from login users. Login users is our table name. Okay, login users. This query is used to select the records. These records. Select these records from login users. Where means where. Username. This is mentioned here. This. Okay, and also username and password. Username and is used to this one and this one. Okay, if username equal to username, this is given text. Okay, here the text box value is equal to the database value, and also the text box value is equal to that database value. This is database field name. Okay, it checks continuously If MySQL numbers it's used to check all the rows, okay, one by one. Okay. Here I give this whole query here, okay, for checking in loop. Okay. If anything record is in exist as username and password or in database, then login successfully will be generated, because zero stage will not occur. Okay, it will be 1. Okay, 0 is greater than 1, so this code will be run. If anything is exist only, okay, login successfully, and then this is only script, so don't mind it. Okay, otherwise if username, our given text and field name, and also here given password and here given password and field name is not match, else condition will be executed. Okay, wrong username and password combination, please re-enter. Okay, this is using here I use JavaScript, okay, script language. Okay, I echo the scripting language. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please mail me. Otherwise, for source code, contact my blogspot website errors000.blogspot.in. Okay, thank you friends. I hope this session was helpful to you. Thanks a lot.